Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install mods in Hytale step by step for beginners. I'm going to cover the easiest method using CurseForge plus the manual method so that you can install any mod quickly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, Hytale modding is early access, so tools aren't perfect yet. But yes, you can still use the mods already. So the easiest and the most common place to download Hytale mods is with the help of CurseForge. So you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for curseforge.com. So why we are using CurseForge, you must ask. It is because it already has a dedicated Hytale mode section, which you can find it here on the home page itself. So here, when you are on this particular page, first of all, you need to get the CurseForge application on your PC. After that, in the app, when you search for Hytale, you are going to find it just like so. So when you click on it, you can click on the option of view collection. Then it is going to show you the list of all of the modes which are associated with the game. So here you can hover over to any of the modes. For example, let's say you want to add better wardrobes. So here you can click on the option of install and the modes will start to add in your game automatically as soon as you click on the option of install or the mode option. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.